special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Simple and protect. Nothing really around the edges, besides the same simple and protect. And then just company info on the back. Let's open up the case, take a look at it. Nothing else in there. And cardboard. So here is the iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This one's very unique due to this sliding lens protector. Wow, and that slides very smoothly. You can see it even says lens protector. So we'll put it back in that position, take our iPhone 15 Pro Max and pop it into this case like so. Very nice look on the front. You can see no logo on the back. I actually really like that. I'm glad they don't have a company logo or anything, or even the cutout for the Apple logo. This, nobody even knows what phone you have with this, and a lot of people like that. You can see here your action button as well as your volume rockers. Down here, your speaker grill and USB Type-C port. Power button has a nice grip feel to it, just like these, like you can actually fill them. And then all that's left is your sliding lens protector. So it slides over and your lenses are exposed, and if you need to protect them, you just slide it that way. This is really good for if you keep keys in your pocket or anything like that, and if your phone's in the same pocket as your keys, this would help keep your lenses protected from scratches. At the end of the day though, a very nice feeling case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and a great way to protect your camera module if that is important to you. That'll essentially do it for this iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.